Welcome to a SIM code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Validating credit card numbers is an important task to ensure that the numbers are correctly formatted and potentially legitimate. One common algorithm for validating credit card numbers is the Luhn algorithm. In this video, we will write a simple Python implementation that checks whether a credit card number is valid using this algorithm. Check if the card number is valid using the Luhn algorithm. Args, card underscore number, str, the credit card number as a string. Returns, bool, true if valid, false otherwise. Remove any spaces or non-digit characters. Reverse the card number and convert to a list of integers. Double every second digit and subtract 9 if the result is greater than 9. Sum all the digits. Valid if total modulo 10 is 0. Main function to test credit card validation. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a SIM code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.